So let's just see how we can delete the first node of a doubly linked list. So previously we have created this doubly linked list where we have 3 nodes with the value 100, 200 and 300. So let's now see how we can delete the first node of the doubly linked list. So here we have created the doubly linked list with the node 100, 200 and 300. So we're gonna create the function to delete the first node of the doubly linked list. So the function will return one struct node type pointer. So we're gonna call the function delete first node. Now the function will take struct node type pointer head. Now inside the function, first of all we're gonna check if the list is empty or not. So if the list is empty, then the head will point to null. So here we're gonna check if the head is null, that means the list is empty. So in that case we can just simply print list is empty, and we don't have to perform anything, we can just simply return null. Now suppose the list is not empty, so there are nodes. So in that case we need one temporary pointer which will point to the head, and then we can move our head pointer to point to the next node in the linked list. So here we're going to create the temporary pointer, so struct node type pointer temporary, which will point to the head node. And now we have to move the head pointer to point to the next node in the list, and then we can free the memory allocated by this first node. So here we're gonna move the head pointer, so head equal head arrow next, and then we can free the memory. So we're gonna free the memory allocated by the temporary pointer, and then we can return the new head after the removal of the first node. So we have moved our head pointer, and also we have deleted this first node, so we have freed up the memory. Now this new head node's previous pointer should point to null. So here we have to check if the head is not null, then we're gonna set the head's previous pointer and we're gonna set it to null. So before setting this previous pointer we have to check if head is null or not, otherwise we can get errors. So we have successfully removed the first node of the doubly linked list. So here we are done with the function. So currently we have 3 nodes in our doubly linked list. Now let's just perform the deletion. So we're gonna call the function delete first node, and we're gonna pass the head pointer. Now after the deletion it will return the new head pointer. So let's now print our list again. So you can see after the removal of the first node we are left with only 2 nodes, 200 and 300. So this is the way we can delete the first node of the doubly linked list. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.